Hi, my name is Chris. I'm with RichData. RichData's chief value proposition is that you can scan and scan and not worry about the organization of the way you're scanning, and we'll make sense out of it. We take a random mess of scans and we can organize it all automatically. This simple application is what we call the job runner. And it runs in the background. It's multi-core, meaning that it will scale depending on the number of cores. It'll scale if you're using the cloud to whatever amount of power you need. And all you need to do to get it to organize all your random data is an input directory, which in this case is going to be this input file directory. An output directory. This is where your organized data is going to be. And everything else is pretty standard. You can run multiple jobs simultaneously, meaning that if you're an enterprise type operation where you have millions of documents, you just create a new job. And you can have hundreds of them, and you can run them simultaneously. It's all dependent on the size of your computers. If you're using the cloud, then you're completely unlimited. In this case, we're just going to run one little job. And I'm going to start the job now. And as you can see, the progress of the job is going to be right here. And what we're going to do is now we're going to take a look at how the job is running. And we're going to see this random mess of files be organized real time. This is the RichData visualization tool. It allows you to monitor whatever job you're looking at and see how it's organizing your files. In this case, we've got a completely random mess of files. And you can see it sort of organizing right here in the way that all these documents are visually the same. This is a very small job. We're used to running millions of images. You can see them aligning. We've taken a random set of data and we've organized them, labeled them properly so that they have meaning to your organization. Let's go back to the job manager and see how well it's doing here. It looks like it's still running. It's just about complete. And now it's completed. So we can go back to the application. And indeed, it looks complete. We can take a look at an individual row of data here and zoom in to see that indeed these forms are what you would expect visually as a human. Here are tax forms. Here are forms that have to do with a loan application procedure. Here are another loan application procedure form. A household income statement. You can see that we tried to create complexity, and indeed it classified it properly. Our software is very robust. It works with very noisy data that may be ripped, torn, or marked up and crinkled. And we offer something that nobody in the business has. So again, I want to repeat our primary value proposition. We take a random, whatever you got, and we organize it automatically. Thank you very much.